everything they sell, they charge also. Like it's like for me, but them it's for telegrams. You get it? So there are lots of people who are there. Lots and lots of people. If I mention them, I will even find myself sijui nimepostiwa wapi. So let me
Even
not
Ringtone
mention
was in the group. Was Ringtone in that group?
Ringtone was in that group, and then actually messed around with my friend. And that's why my friend was like, oh, I'm from a sleepover at Ringtone sijui ni nini. I'm like, okay, Ringtone ule mmoja.
Hebu ngoja Shakila, wait. Unatupeleka, unaongea haraka sana. Hebu take us slow. Unaongea ni kama umekula battery. Relax. Na energy, relax. We are here to understand. So Ringtone DM'd you, and then later on, mukapatana kwa Telegram group. So that Telegram group is for young girls to have sex with people. Ama whores. What is that Telegram group about? Because you mentioned whores and people are paying to get in the group. Please take us slowly. What happens in that group? Your Telegram.
It's a Telegram. Girls go there. They like take their pictures, nude pic. It's like an OnlyFans, if that's what I can say. You get. So the guys, this link sent to guys. The guys joining. I left it when it was at 300. Yeah, the maximum is 300 members. You see a girl, you see the pictures, there's the numbers there. You say I want to have for an hour, 2 hours for sleepover and everything. My friend was in that group. That day, my friend akanambia, hey, so we go out. I'm like, yeah, okay, if you can get it, I can get it. Anyone can get it. What did I do? Boom. What did I do? See, I texted him. I was like, hi, my name is Shakila. This is my number. Can we hang out sometime? I was so surprised the next day I'm seeing Ringtone has texted you, And he was like, yeah, sure. Why not? Then he called me. Then from there, like we've been talking, we've been hanging out. I also have his friends who are there. He's hanging out with Kina DK kwenye beti in Runda. We've gone to so many places. With, they bring girls. They have fun, drinks, everything, nyamachoma, blah, 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 road trips. In his house, though, you get what I'm saying? With that decay when you beat, I have everything. So now I'm really shocked when I didn't even know Alingilia J's story. You get? I still now I don't understand how he entered inside this story. Because me naona tu kidogo he's saying sijui Xtian he'll pray mashoga wakukujie. I was shocked. I was really shocked. Xtian, shogas to come and do you. Kama yeye, he's saying shogas to come to do you that. That means what? He's also from the gay community. The way he behaves, the way he talks. Or what's the conclusion?
Hey, Shakila, hey! Ni kama ulikula zile betri zako za remote kabla ulikuja hapa, umekuja na moto sana Shakila. You've come with a lot of power and fame and everything. Pizzazz!
I practically I don't like it when a guy says that hanijui, that he doesn't know me. I don't know you knew me. Can I tell the people that you're suffering from this disease though? Can I tell them that you have a delayed ejaculation?
God,
should I tell them that?
Hashtag, my people, hashtag that on the Twitter, hashtag delayed ejaculation. Make sure you tag Ringtone. Hashtag delayed ejaculation should be trending top in Kenya.
I can't believe, right now, even najichukia by the way, messing around with a person like you, Ringtone. Find you this marker.
Shakila, you
enter inside you. Yeah?
You took your time, ukaenda ukanunua whiteboard. Na marker pen ya black ukaandika ugonjwa ya Ringtone kwa ukuta.
Kwanza this marker pen, I've used this marker pen to write about Ringtone, but also this marker pen has helped me satisfy. I rather use this marker pen a million times. Ringtone again.
Hashtag delayed ejaculation. Hashtag Toboa. Tag Ringtone Apoko. Let's make Ringtone famous. You want to be famous? 42,000 strong. This is way bigger than anything that has ever been streamed by any personality in Kenya. This is history. Ringtone, this is history because of you, Ringtone. Okay, so how yake ya Runda? Can you explain to us nyumba yake ya Runda inakaaje? Mimi tuambie, explain the house. I've been there, I know it.
Okay. So when me and Ringtone, like when we have been meeting and everything, there are always different numbers which call me, And Okay, for me, even the people who have been calling me, when you're metwa nambangu on Instagram, I've answered some of them, but I don't talk. The different numbers have been calling me. I mean, I just out Ringtone, a really pathetic, rough, ugly, disgusting voice.
Lakini ulimkula.
So I mean,
Uh-huh.
I'm coming for you. Where are you? Uber to this place, and then you come. Okay, I'm like, okay, sure. So we meet up, but his house is in Runda. That guy, each and every single time we go to his house, he always uses different routes. Unapitia kwa vichoche. But remember, we passed by John Kubai's house, that it's in Runda.
Usi mention, I am not, and this is the point I put a disclaimer. Whatever Shakila says is Shakila says. Whatever I say is my says. Disclaimer. We don't mention, we're on Ringtone. We're on Ringtone. Ringtone. So, Ringtone's house.
Yeah. So the first time it was on his, I went with an Uber, akakutania katikati. The second time tukapanda that Mercedes, a gray Mercedes. Yeah. Some KCW Mercedes. The third time tukakuja kwa Range Rover. So all this time, this guy, he has been using different routes to go to his house. So in his house, it has a big compound. I can't lie. His gate is green afunguliwa. It's a really big compound though, me can't lie. His house is red, and I can tell you, mi niliingilia na kitchen. Like
hata mimi kitchen, yeah.
Mlango
Atumiangi main door, anatumianga kitchen now, yeah. I believe. Tuendele. It's true.
Yeah, tuliingilia kwa kitchen. Mi kuingia, it was me ndo nilikuwa na Ringtone, nimekuja naye, is like, oh, you know, I'm having investments. I don't know land. I'm from a meeting, sijui in Ruai, blah, blah, blah. All that. Brother was like, okay, I'll make you treat nicely. You know, I'm looking for a wife. I'm like, okay, so long as I'm here,
Wait.
you can give me all those investments.
Wait. There's one very important thing that all of us are wondering. Right now, Shakila, no, how long ago was that? Ilikuwa mwaka gani? When was that? Can you remember?
It was this year. Like this few months, this 2 months ago. I'm talking about this 2 months ago. It was when I started talking to Ringtone.
2 months ago?
Yeah, like we've been meeting up and shit. I even have M-Pesa transactions. But you know the difference is alikuwa ananitumia na different number PA. When you enter inside his house, the sitting room, anakuambia mwache simu hapo kwa dining. So unaingia kwa kitchen, unaona dining, alafu the sitting room, and then the bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom house. You've ever been in that house, you know that.
I know the house very well. Very well.
Yeah. So I'm there, I'm finding kina decay kwenye beach with some other shories and some other people I won't say the name due to my security also. You are exposed, you have herpes. Or in skinny genital herpes. Or what was it?
Ringtone.
Okay,
45,000
yeah.
strong. Ringtone, this is for you. We're making you famous. Hashtag Toboa, hashtag delayed ejaculation pale Twitter. Kama uko na simu mbili. Shakila, tuendelee. Nyumba ya Ringtone?
Yeah. So there were many stories and everything. Tuliambiwa tuache simu hapo, and then yeah, we talked, tukaletwa drinks, anaambia wasichana come in front, you know, hapo kwa the fireplace, anaambia simame hapo, they start dancing and I was spank, and I was like, okay, you know the way me I'm always shy, but then I can you just sit, you don't worry, and you can take, but not now. Wait, let me first finish. Yeah. So I was like, okay, sure. We're just watching the girls, and I'm like, then how I don't even how to explain it. Yani sijui anisema, I'm really hurt how he's saying that anijui. Anashika those girls and stuff, they're entertaining, wanna check up, blah blah blah. You get what I'm saying? Even like taking pictures with his phone. He was telling, I don't know if it's his PA or his bodyguard or his man, one of his people. I'm like, this one. So me, I was like, I don't feel comfortable. Like, why do I have us and I'm being told to sit down, you know? And I'm watching other girls to have us out there. I mean, my ass wasn't for sitting down. I also want to shake my ass.
That is
so, okay. Oh, no. Kambia, wacha this guy akupeleke. So, see, So senior, he said, okay, sawa.
Yo, are you back?
Are you
Yeah, I'm
here?
here. Someone was trying to call me.
Okay, sorry. So those minions took me to the bedroom, and it was like 20 minutes there. You get. So that at the 20 minutes, I was bored. Hakuna kitu ya kufanya. Then he came. So when I was bored, nilikuwa nimedoze hivi, like nimelala kwa kitanda. I'm just like in the ceiling. My legs were dangling from the side of the bed. Then he came, boop, kanirukia. I'm like, I can't say I didn't enjoy it. It was nice. It was nice. But then, things like from here to there, I was like, no, like, oh, sorry, there's someone who's to call me. I'm like, no, nini. You get, it was like, and I'm like, no, I can't. Then DK called him. Then they went back to the sitting room, and I wore my bra, I wore my shirt back. I was like, okay, but we didn't do it at that time. So we've been hanging out. He's been calling me to Ngong. Sometimes I don't have cash. I'm like calling him, and then he sends. But then it was okay. Yeah. So when I discovered that he had a delayed ejaculation, and now he's pretending that he doesn't know me. Many people don't understand what a delayed ejaculation is. This person is trying to call me. What a delayed ejaculation is when a guy can't come. You get.
No, Shakila, wait. Ebu ngoja. It feels wrong for someone with this my big age nikayapa nikisikia mtoto mdogo wa miaka 19 akiongea about delayed ejaculation. Hi, Shakila, no. It doesn't sit right with me. No, please. Sema tu Ringtone hapiki mwisho. It doesn't. Shakila, it doesn't. But Shakila, let me ask you this. Yo, Shakila, focus here. Let me ask you, Shakila. You don't feel guilty? Auoni kama uko na shida fulani? Like everything is perfect with you. Wewe, Shakila, focus here. Focus. As in, you don't feel weird. You don't feel like there's something wrong with you with all these big men, celebs, drama yote. Are you the issue? Are people like Ringtone the issue? Uko sawa? Are you good?
I'm so okay, actually. Xtian, I am so okay. I'm not even bothered. My life is doing okay. I'm still eating.
Umeziba microphone, Skuski. You've shut your microphone.
What? Can you hear me now? Unanisikia?
Uko sawa? Are you normal?
Yeah.
Are you normal, Shakila? Because people your age at 19 wanaangalia makatuni. Wanaangalia makatuni wakibeba madoli. Wao unabeba mizigo ya wanaume huku Nairobi at 19 years old, Shakila. How? What went wrong, Shakila? What went wrong? No, it's sema ni corona.
As I said earlier, I told you guys earlier, be proud of your hustle. Mimi nashtuka, I'm seeing people wanaanza kujitetea ati, oh, we met sijui at a hotel. Oh, sijui, I'll sue you. Oh, I've gotten so many DMs from so many verified accounts that are telling me don't do it, don't expose me. I'm so okay. I am so okay. That means mtu akiniletea ujinga, I will just take a screenshot and I'll put it out. Right now, I don't care.
Shakila.
If I'm feeling hungry for pizza in, I'll just call.
No. Who are you staying with?
No, actually, I'm not even staying with my parents. That was the question.
Where are they?
People I was seeing them were asking me. They were asking me, are you with your parents? Where are the parents of this girl? I'm not staying with my parents. As I said earlier, there was a time, like I said earlier on my status, about my OnlyFans, when I was still introducing my OnlyFans. I said I secured my own house, but like due to certain reasons, after the whole trending thing which happened yesterday and also today, I'm not in my house because people are coming to my house in Kileleshwa. They're like, oh, this is Shakila, blah blah blah. You get, yeah.
Wait, Shakila, how do you know
Apparently,
these things? 19 years, a house in Kileleshwa, how? How, Shakila? Umemaliza hata shule, are you working? How, Shakila? Wazazi wako wamekuongelesha, umechapwa, umerudishwa nyumbani ukaongeleshwa na familia. Do you have family, aunts, uncles, a grandmother, for crying out loud? Kuna mtu anakuongelesha? Is there someone anakwambia, Shakila, what you're doing is not... Kavo!
But I've gotten that from random numbers, yes. But what I can say is that there's some certain issue that has been going on, like towards my family and my dad, and I don't think that this is the right place or the right time that I can talk about it, because it's just issues here and there, like him saying I'm no longer his child, family dividing and stuff. I was like, okay, I think it's high time for me to just make my own decision. I can't like always all the time crying because of my dad. Me and my dad, we've like been friends ever since I was 0 to 8 years old. Because my mama was still in KMTC. So most of the time I used to spend time with my dad. So like even if like I know there are people who want this life who are my dad's friend or something, they can tell you that whenever my dad was, maybe I'm in the you get. So things started changing because we are actually three in the house. We are three children. So for 8 years I was alone. Then boom, my first brother happened to be. Then from there, like things started changing. You get what I'm saying? And I kind of like lost track of my connection between me and my dad. You get. So it reached to a point like I couldn't 16 years. I remember that was like because of school, because my mom was not there. If I want to talk to my dad, I usually get to my mom, or like I write a note, these sticky notes, naiweka kwa fridge. So no, maybe yeah. So from there, like there was a time the curfew was like at 9. You get. So I came home at around 8:10ish. It was raining heavily. So I was from Mombasa Road. I was from Syokimau. So when I came, hey, my dad is the one who opened the door for me. He's like, Rudy Mali umetoka. And I was like, wow. I was like, okay, I want to talk to mom. Then he was like, he didn't even open the door actually. He just told me like on those spaces is not
Okay, Shakila, ni kama umeanza kutupatia series hapa. Na unatupatia series, tunataka kuona highlights. Wewe unatupatia sasa series ya maisha yako yote. Nimekusikia. You don't have a very close connection with your family, your dad. I can sense a bit of daddy issues. I don't blame you. I don't blame you, and I don't judge. I'm one person who never judges, because different people go through different shit. But that said and done, whatever you're going through, Shakila, do you ever sit down and ask yourself, what am I, as in what I'm doing, is it right or is it wrong?
What? I'm sorry, I can't hear
Have
you.
you ever asked yourself? Have you ever asked yourself if what you're doing is right or wrong? Ama we kaende kesi badai.
Okay, that's a question I always ask myself.
Hatukusikii. Yeah. Hold your phone properly, covering the microphone.
Through WhatsApp. So can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so that's a question that even my mom has always been asking. She's like, a few years from now, where you going to be, your reputation, because I was actually like developed a really good friendship with my mom. Like my mom is my best friend until yesterday when she saw the whole thing that was going on. I don't know this, blah blah blah, chit chat, and she was like, "What are you doing, Nini? You were going bank and everything. I usually ask myself that that's exactly why I invented, okay, not invented exactly, but invested
of selling nudes at 19 years old. Online business. Unauza, you're calling selling nudes at 19 years old online business. Shakila, like seriously, Shakila, seriously.
Yeah.
Aye.
What?
You're calling online business ya kuuza nudes at 19 years old biashara. Unaita biashara.
You know what people think on OnlyFans is that, I don't know, you sell yourself. No, it's like you're doing it indirectly. I think most of your OnlyFans, and it's about like your body. And sell your content when you're talking, when you're doing this. And I usually go on a fee of 15,000 per subscriber monthly. And like I have right now, I'm at 20,
Okay, Shakira, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this because I'm also getting tired to some extent. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna ask all these people who are watching here. Tutafutie Shakila usaidizi. Let's look for help for this girl.
What?
I'm saying you're so good, Shakila. You're so nice. But yeah, Shakila, hey, umenishtua. No, where do you study? Unasomea wapi?
Where I study,
Yeah.
my education background.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm Nigerian, so basically, I don't know. There was some rumor that I'm in Form 3 or something like that, which has been on the internet. I actually took it seriously. I'm not in high school. I'm in Riara.
Riara.
Yeah.
Iya wa Kristo. Hapa Mbagadi.
Bagadi, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Hi. Okay, let me do this. Shakila, let me do this. I saw you apologize to Calligraph Jones, which was good. Which was good. You apologized. It was good. Is there anyone else you want to apologize before I let you go?
Anyone I want to apologize? I think
Yeah, you want
when
to
people are
apologize?
like this thing and that. Yeah, I apologize.
I'm giving you a chance,
Calligraph.
Shakila. Ati?
What?
I'm giving you a chance. Is there anyone you want to talk to?
Stop calling me on WhatsApp. You're fucking up my volume. Actually, what are you saying?
Is there anyone you want to apologize to?
Yeah. Also, you should apologize though, because your name was also mentioned in that. That was
The disclaimer is always mentioned. The interviewee's school of thought and whatever the interviewee says is for the interviewee. The interviewer ni ya interviewer. So miko kivyangu. Wewe ongea.
That was the footballer. Though I don't understand why it's still declining and everything. I'll just say a partial sorry. I'll say sorry, but I still won't take back my words. But I'll just say sorry. Yeah, that was Victor Wanyama. Yeah.
No comment. No comment on that. No comment on that. So Shakila, let me let you go. No, I want to call Sana. But yeah, hey. Ringtone to a chance. Let me tell you something. That was part 2. Yeah, I'm gonna end this live. So you guys, and I ask this: is there anybody out there who has a story to talk about Ringtone? Muko na nini mnataka kuongea? Today is Ringtone's day. Let's make Ringtone famous. So please, dear me, follow me on the other account at more Xtian Dela. If you have any screenshot in WhatsApp, munitumie huko, not here. Tunaendelea na story paka asubuhi, atuachi story. Yeah, also support all the businesses na support wanapatia pesa ni wa market, please support. But let me do this before I go. A lot of you, kuna mtu labda kwa hapa anataka kuongea about Ringtone na umo. Maybe mtu ame cross path na Ringtone kwa career yake, mtu amekuwa kwa hao ya Ringtone. We don't know. Uko wapi, uko hapa. Disclaimer, ule mtu naweka hapa hivi, jua. Wewe kuja hapa, wewe sema ni unasema beba mzigo wako. Si mimi niko zangu. Mimi niko sawa. Nimeweka disclaimer. I'm just the host of the show. Mko wapi? 46,000 people, 45,000. History in Kenya. Mko wapi hivi? Kumbuka hashtag toboa pale Twitter. Hashtag Yeah, Shakila ilikuwa nini? Delayed ejaculation. Nani ako hapa? Just comment. Tell me no mkono juu. Anyone free to speak. Free to speak. Kama usai gongodo na ringtone tokea hapa. Mkiwa high school. Kama usai fika kwa nyumba ya ringtone. And I don't know why, man. Say ringtone is one of the reasons why I left the gospel industry. And I gotta say this. There are a lot of good gospel artists in this country. But stupid little nincompoops, deadbeats like Ringtone are messing up the industry. Ringtone, unajita gospel, a father, whatever, gospel, God daddy, whatever. With all these stories, what I know, Ringtone, mimi nimepatia story yangu Ringtone, toka gospel, ni join huko penye mimi toka gospel. Ringtone, heri useme wewe si mtu gospel, ishi hapo. Ishi hapo Ringtone. Acha kusema wewe mtu gospel. Toka kama Pose alitoka siku hizi ni ambassador William Lawson na mimi huko tuna bucket pombe. Toka kama Bahati. Imba gengeton. Toka. Unajieka nini huko? Unajificha nini huko Ringtone? Kuja huku. Nani ako hapa hivi? Atileta Ringtone. Okay. Actually that's a good idea. Kama kuna mtu akona namba ya Ringtone, I know Ringtone is watching. Ringtone, I want to see you right now. I'm giving you a chance. Yeah, I don't fear you, Ringtone. Tokea saa hizi Ringtone. Ringtone, if you are here, I'm giving you a... Ringtone, come. Ringtone, I'm gonna count down from 10. And then I'm gonna end this thing, man. Tushawapatia juice ya kutosha. Ringtone tumekufanya umekuwa famous. Kesho ma blogs utakuwa kila mahali Ringtone, pata ma followers Ringtone. Where are you, Ringtone? Ringtone, kwa wapi? Request. I'm looking for Ringtone. Ringtone is not here. Apoko is not here. Ringtone, I'm giving you the last chance, Ringtone. If you have Ringtone's number, call him. Acha akuje saa hizi. Ringtone, come through. Come through. Come through, Ringtone. Uko wapi? Hayuko. Last call, Ringtone. Last call. Niseme sikumpatia chance. Last call, Ringtone. I'm going, Ringtone. Nani moto? I have screenshots I'm posting right now. I'm not gonna sleep. Check out my Insta stories right now. I'm posting stories. Hizo zote mnanitumia, naenda kupost hapo hivyo. Finally, as I'm winding this up, I gotta say, it's only fair to call a spade. And it's only fair to put and state facts the way they are. And I gotta say this to my brother Calligraph Jones, manze. What Shakila did, what Shakila said, manze. Pole sana, bro. Bro, pole sana. Pole sana. Pole, bro, tumetoana mbali. And that's why to some extent, bro, sikuamini story yake toka ngala video, manze. Chacha nikitetea, lakini bro, it's a fact. Yeah, bro, it's a fact. Sikuamini, because I know Calligraph, manze. Ni boy family man, manze. Walikuwa sema Calligraph siku hizi amekuwa na mtu amekuwa sisi, amekuwa pussy, amekuwa gangster mwitu, gangster hana OG. Ana hizo, but ni boy is a very faithful man. Very, very faithful. I gotta say this. I know many artists in Kenya right now. Like I know a lot of artists. And I know what they do behind the scenes. Because I'm with them there naona. I see. Calligraph sijaiona. Na sisi tunamtetea. Kani mbaya. Kiariji the don hata tusiongelea. Ringtone Apoko. Ringtone Apoko. Tusiongelea. Victor Wanyama, I don't know him personally. I've met him like once. Jeff Koinenga live. I don't know him personally as his social life. I don't know. I wouldn't judge. I wouldn't judge. I don't know. I have nothing to say about that. Shakila apologized. I have nothing to say about Victor Wanyama because I don't know him. I can't comment about someone I don't know on that personal level. He's more of an acquaintance. I got number yake. Tuna WhatsApp, hey bro. Lakini chilling out with him, with his voice, never done that. Maybe kama hajanijamia bro. Sina naomba kuvutia ukivai 2022 bro, ndakupigia kura, hata ndakuwekea maposta hapa for free bro. Utalive bro kwa do. Yeah, but yeah. Hao wengine manzi poza ni kawaida bro. Okay, thank you very, very much guys. I am out. Apoko, let me see for the last time kama Apoko kwa hapa hivi. Where is Apoko? Apoko kwa wapi? Kuja hapa Ringtone. Mimi Ringtone. Hata nikwambia Ringtone. Sikuchuki na kudharau. Bada kleptomaniacs wakisema hivyo. Kuna mauchungu. Okay, guys. Krisha, done. I'm out. Thank you very much. We have made history. Yeah, I'm gonna post some of the business have been supporting me. Wamenisaidia kupata mabundles manzi boy child. Kufanya nini na nini, support them. Thank you very much. Kidogo kidogo nasikia kurudisha club COVID hapa hivi tuendelee na dhambi iko nini? Well, thank you very much for the stories. Cheers. Out. I have never ended alive at 38,000. Kuna mtu ananiambia manzi kai Xtian tuanze kujimarket. Kai, if this was me ningeanza kupush my product. Hata niseme hivi wasee, hata niseme hivi. Check it. I gotta say this, I gotta give a big shout out to Next Wheels. Manzi, buy all your motifs from Next Wheels. Ni waboyonga njo Arnold Afuya cars. A big shout out to you Afuya. Na jo ile time manzi ukianza kusell watu wanaanza kutoka by misi jali kabla mfike zero nishasema. Support Next Wheels kesho manzi, pombe imerudi kesho ni kuserereka ni kulewa kuanguka na magoti. Ringtone, kuja Santorini takununulia boti. Tomorrow, let's meet at Santorini. Friday, we have DJ Kalonje coming in. Saturday, we have DJ Nash on the two ones and twos. Sato manze, tuko na DJ Joe Mfalme all the way from ametoka Tanzania juzi manze, DJ Joe Mfalme Santorini. A big shout out to Santorini, akina Gidi, akina Albo, akina nani wako hapo, akina Thuku. Maboy wangu wote hapo hivyo. I love you guys. You guys are really something that pitch and something that my DJ Slick, Johnny Tech manze nampatia mashout hapa. Msha make it in life manze. Msha make it in life. Kumbuka kama unataka kutravel, kumbuka ni Azami Concierge iko nini? Naweza post zote saizi, bu support, follow. By the nani wanapatia na do. Tangani see. Next Wheel kuna do wanapeana. Follow them right now. Next Wheels KE. They're giving out money. I think 1,000 2,000, I don't know, but follow them. Giving out money today, tomorrow. Thank you very guys. I'm out. Ringtone amekata kuja, nimesha market. Check simuende, amtaki kuenda. Ebu go guys. I'm done with you guys for today. Story imeisha. Uni Jamal Gaddafi naona hapa hivi. Hajaanza kutaja maselebo wako hapa ni wachomee. Naona Jamal Gaddafi yako hapa. Oh, wow, this is a very top gospel DJ uko hapa. Wow, umeacha mtu wako uko hapa unaangalia dhambi. Oh, the freaking hell, we have a governor here. Ooh. Oh, there's a kuna MP. Oh. Who's it? Oh, we got a senator in the building. Bro, I see you, bro. Washaanza kuhepa. No, wameanza kuhepa. Nimeanza kutaja majina. Na wataja muhepe tokeni hapa chini ujinga wewe. Guys, I'm out. Ringtone, I'm just wasting time to see if Ringtone is coming. Ringtone is not coming, guys. I am out like I was never here. Thank you very much. Shakila tunaweza rudi naye. Ama Shakila rudi. Ati unataka Shakila. Unataka Shakila next Aki ukam Ringtone amekataa. Yeah, check it. Go to settle beef kawa na